10 unbelievably massive machines on planet Earth. The Earth is no stranger to colossal machines that push the boundaries of technology and scale. From historic nomadic caravans to extravagant automotive creations, these massive vehicles serve diverse purposes and captivate our imagination. 1. Nomadic legacy. The Bedouin Caravan. The Bedouin Caravan symbolizes the timeless romance of desert nomads navigating arid landscapes. These nomadic Arab tribes have relied on caravans for centuries, not just as a means of survival, but as a tradition of hospitality, storytelling, and trade. Even as many Bedouin have settled, the image of a Bedouin caravan continues to captivate, preserving a vibrant aspect of their heritage. 2. Dodge Power Wagon. The off-roading icon. The Dodge Power Wagon, with a history dating back to World War II, is a symbol of durability and versatility. Originally a military vehicle, it transitioned into a civilian model, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts with its classic, rugged appearance and exceptional off-road performance. It's an enduring legend of off-roading. 3. The Globe Caravan by Sheikh Hamad. Sheikh Hamad's Globe Caravan is a remarkable expedition undertaken by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan. He transformed a Mercedes Unimog into a custom RV called the Globe, complete with luxurious amenities and a distinctive globe design. This extraordinary caravan reflects his passion for adventure and cross-cultural understanding through travel. 4. Marauder. The Armored Behemoth. The Marauder, designed for military and civilian applications, offers exceptional protection against various threats, including explosives and small arms fire. Manufactured by the South African company Paramount Group, it's a reliable and versatile armored vehicle, serving armed forces and security organizations worldwide. 5. Boeing 727 Jet Limo, where luxury meets the runway. The Boeing 727 Jet Limo is an extraordinary creation, transforming a decommissioned Boeing 727 airliner into a luxurious ground vehicle. It retains the distinctive aircraft shape, complete with jet engines, and boasts opulent features inside. It's a testament to engineering and offers a unique way to travel in style, turning heads wherever it goes. 6. Caterpillar 797B, hauling Earth's bounty. The Caterpillar 797B is a colossal mining truck with a payload capacity of up to 400 tons, making it one of the largest trucks in the world. Designed for the most demanding mining operations, it offers exceptional durability and efficiency, a true workhorse in the mining industry. 7. The Rainbow Sheikh's Custom Jeep. Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan, known as the Rainbow Sheikh, transformed a Jeep Wrangler into a one-of-a-kind vehicle with a vibrant rainbow paint job and an array of unique gadgets. His creative approach to automotive customization reflects his passion for innovation and individuality. 8. The Watha Helizet, sustainable adventurous living. The Watha Helizet is an unconventional mobile home constructed on a military surplus Unimog chassis. It boasts a distinctive design, incorporates recycled materials, and is equipped with solar panels, a wind turbine, and rainwater harvesting, embodying adventurous and sustainable living. 9. The Black Spider Mercedes-Benz. Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan's Black Spider is a customized version of the classic Mercedes-Benz with a striking black exterior and spider-themed design. It stands as a symbol of extravagant automotive customization and personal expression. 10. Sheikh Hamad's Jeep Wrangler Giant Spider. Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan's Jeep Wrangler Giant Spider is a remarkable automotive creation, exemplifying his penchant for extravagant and unconventional vehicle modifications. Transformed into a unique masterpiece with spider-themed aesthetics, it's a symbol of individuality and creative expression in the automotive world. These 10 massive vehicles are a testament to human creativity, engineering prowess, and the enduring spirit of exploration and innovation.